So guys, sorry I've not been live for so many days now because I've been engaged with work and excuse me and stress. Even right now, I just say to myself that hi, let me just come here and say hi to everybody, all my fans, my great fans, and I'm seeing it on the journey. See, this is on my house, the hotel room, that's bed, there's a bathroom. Let me open the bathroom. Those of you that care, you want to see inside. This is the bathroom. Can you see that's the bathroom? When it comes to the bathroom, this thing is open now. Can you see? So I'll come back here and shower. So the other thing is that this room does not have AC. So I'm using this fan. This is the fan I'm using. And another beautiful thing is that this bed is orthopedic. Yeah, it's orthopedic. So with this stress now, once I sleep, I will feel good, right? So it's a good thing, and whew, let me go to shower, please. So thank you for joining. I just closed from work, and hello, Sonia. Sonia, how are you? Where are you streaming from? Hello, Loin. Hello, Cool. X4. How are you? Thank you for joining. You're welcome to my live, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. You're welcome. My Portuguese. Sonia, you're from Portugal? So I have Portugal today. You're welcome, guys. I'm happy to have you. Yeah, so this is my workspace. Let me show you this room. Let me show you my room, all right? My hotel room where I lodge. All right, so this is my hotel room. Here is my workspace where I do my live streaming and no speak English. Sonia, Portuguese. So this is where I do my live stream. This is my lights. This is my light stand. This is my phone stand. This is my tripod, and this is my laptop, my internet, and this is my extension. This is the one chair that I have in this room, and this is my bed. Very good. And this is my camera bag. This is another camera bag, and this is my charger, power bank, and this is my bag where I have my clothes in. So we want to see inside. Yeah, so this is a microphone for live streaming of stuff. So you can look at this bed. This is where I take my fresh air. The room does not have AC, so this is what I use for my ventilation, and this fan. Now, I've taken you a tour for my room tour. So this is the door. Though it's not too strong, can you see? I don't know whether the last person that lodged here, they fought. I don't know, it's not looking strong. So, and the bathroom is the bathroom. The shower is there. The toilet has one over there. So, this is this is where I'm staying, and this room is cheap. It's about 8,000 naira. If you convert that in dollars, yeah, you have $8, eight, just $8 a night. Hey guy, hello, how are you? How you doing? So if you convert that in a night, you have like $8 for this room. So it's cheap. And yes, I have my tripod here. Yeah, this is my tripod. I am the Billy. So this is my tripod, my camera tripod, and this is my money that I use to buy something I eat. I went out this evening to withdraw this money from a POS man, so he gave me this money. And this is Nigerian money. This is my ATM. Can you see? This is my ATM. Look at it. It's my ATM. This was the money that I took from work. $8 a day, like $8, you know. Yeah, it's very cheap. Look at the room of $8. You have this bed. You know, I love this hotel so much. So yeah, it returns a month. So this pillow, anytime I come around this town, this is the hotel that I always use. So I bought this fabric pillow for myself, and these are the pillows, and they're always neat. It's a neat place. Yeah. What do you do? I'm a filmmaker. So let me show you my camera. When I'm in a hotel, I always try to hide my equipment. So I don't like keeping when I don't have wardrobe. Even if I have wardrobe, this is what I do. I always hide my equipment. So you see, let me show you something. That's my camera. This is Canon R5. So I just keep it in a way that it looks simple. Well, here what we have is batteries, and this is my own Pocket 3, DJI Pocket 3. So all my expensive gear, I will just leave them here. So they are safe there. So that it makes it easier when you come to somewhere and then try to. I'm a filmmaker. So someone came to give me these oranges. A friend of mine came to give me these oranges, and then I've not even had time to say, okay, let me just drink the oranges. You see? So if I wake up, maybe when I wake up, I'll just say, let me find something and do, then come back on my system, try to do one or two. Let me know where you are watching me from, guys. So now I want to show you the light in this room, so you know how the lighting is. Let's know whether the lighting is good, because this is my light. So I'm going to off this light, and then the Billy, where are you streaming from? So I'll off my light. So you see, the light is off. So this is what you have in this room. I don't know why they put this light. How can the light be changing like this? See, changing to different colors and stuff. Okay, this one is okay. Let me just see. You see, no light now. And now there's this particular light here. This one it doesn't go off. Even if you off everywhere, this light will still be on. This is my problem with this room. If not, I love this room. So let me on the light again. Sick. So how can you put this kind of light in the room? Is this place a club? At least have light that has different colors and their own ones, not this one that will be dancing, pim 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 pim. You know, me, I don't like that. So I don't like that. Let me on this one. So you see, I love this one. I love this one too. Right. It's the difference. Maybe one day I will stream and stream and stream, then I'll just sleep. It's gonna be funny, man. I will stream, and then sleep. Let me see if I position my camera in this angle. Yeah, you will see me when I'm sleeping there. It's gonna be fun. Just imagine I have my camera like this when I'm streaming to a point that I will sleep off. That's gonna be great. So you're welcome. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome. And here I'm a filmmaker. You see my movies with time, and then with time I always stream. And my streaming is more about myself, who I am, what I do. That's what I do on this channel. My lifestyle. Yeah, let's put it that way. So guys, thank you so very much for watching this video. I so much appreciate you guys. I just want to go to the bathroom and then take my bath. If not, I am freaking tired and just need to rest. What time? I'm the ability. Time is what's the time? Let me check. What's the time? Let me check, man. What's the time? Let me check. 9:25 evening. 9:25. So guys, it was the time I came from work, so I'm so super tired. I'm so exhausted. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.